Okay, this is an example of an exponential relationship, the type of word problem that we come across all the time. This is not really very realistic. You usually don't have the material decaying down to nothing. Anyways, here's a word problem. It's a radioactive decay problem. We know how much is decayed. We are asked to find the half-life of the material, and so we are going to use our equation for exponential decay. And so the quantity at time t is a function of the initial amount, so it depends on how much was there to begin with, times the rate of decay, and t is the amount of time that passes, and capital T we are using as the half-life here. Capital T is the thing we do not know. It's a half-life, so we do know what R is. So capital T is the half-life. R is the rate of decay. And so since it's a half-life, R is 1/2. Okay, the initial quantity, Q sub naught. Well, that is 56.8 grams. Quantity at time t, which is quantity after, 5 years, is 20.5 grams, and of course the time, t, 5 years. So there we go. We've gleaned all of our information out of this statement. So let's go ahead and plug it all in. Find out what we've got. So Q at t, 20.5, is equal to Q naught, 56.8, times 1/2 to the exponent 5 over t. And notice that our unknown is stuck up here in the exponent, and so we are going to wind up using logarithms to solve this. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's try and isolate the term. We only have this on one side, so this is going to be just hunky-dory. Good. Let's take the logs now. So log of 20.5 over 56.8. Once again, I'm avoiding doing these calculations. Is equal to 5t log 1/2. Oh my goodness! I went ahead and used the exponent property for logs to isolate this 5t all by itself. Okay. Okay, the log of 20.5 over 56.8. All right, I have this nice rational expression. This over this is equal to that over that. And so I can actually just flip this whole thing the other way around. Now all I really have to do is multiply both sides by 5 to isolate t, and I will have solved this once and for all. So this is my solution. Once again, you can just leave it like that because I know you can punch these numbers into your calculator.